Well, here in about 5 minutes, we're fixing to mount up and see when we can go trade that in. And I told my wife it's probably a 50-50 shot because I'm just not going to let myself get screwed. If we end up keeping this, it's not that big a deal. I mean, I'm almost to the point where I've got it, completely renewed, refreshed. It just lacks a new clutch to be, basically a new bike. I don't know what it is about petting an animal that makes you sleepy. It just relaxes you, even if you're petting a chicken. Okay. Hey, you want to watch me pet my chicken? Oh, God, I can't stop. Yep, the 13-year-old busts out in me sometimes. Or maybe it's the dirty old man, I don't know. Okay. All right. Everybody's all petted up. Okay, I want you to look at this. Every single package that FedEx delivers is opened and gone through. Every single package. They have a serious serial thief working for them. There's no way that accidentally comes open like that. Let me get this open. This is my camera, my $400 worth of camera equipment, GoPro and a bunch of accessories. I can't believe it. Let me get this open and see if they actually did take anything out of it. Well, it's all there, but this absolutely, without a doubt, was opened up. And you couldn't accidentally open that box. It couldn't accidentally come open. You could see where the tape was pulled apart and this lid was pulled away from the tape and pulled up. That is like the 6th or 7th box I've got that's been opened and gone through. And if you call FedEx to report this, what you get is foreigners in another country. I have no idea what brand, what flavor of English they're speaking, but it's not English that I understand. It's so heavily, I'm going to make up a word, accented, that I can't understand them. And they get mad when you keep saying, what? Could you speak more slowly? Could you speak more clearly? So, anyway, it's all here, but I'm telling you, I really put an effort into not ordering from anybody that ships through FedEx. I've stopped ordering from Walmart because Walmart ships almost exclusively through FedEx. And if we end up getting stuff, it's busted. Like Beverly used to get Omaha steaks all the time. And she stopped buying Omaha steaks because it was delivered by FedEx. And the styrofoam containers that they would send them in were all busted to hell, and the meat would be thawed out. And then half the time they leave my stuff next door. I have no idea why. I have my address on my mailbox, my address on my gate, my address on the package box out by my gate. I have 3 addresses that they can plainly see, and half the time they leave my stuff next door, and that man has no address on his house. Nothing, no number anywhere. They just dump my stuff off at his house. I have no idea why. I am so freaking tired of FedEx. I'm so sick of getting this kind of service from FedEx. They have a thief. I guarantee you other people have called in on this guy for going through their packages. And he still works there. This is out of Shreveport. And I'm telling you, if you knew anything about Shreveport, you would understand what the frickin' problem is. It's just nothing but beasts, thieves, savages, murderers, rapists. I mean, don't get me wrong. There are some good people that live in Shreveport that would probably like to get out. But now they can't sell their house because basically the Democrats have taken over. So nobody wants to move there. It's a dangerous city. Just to drive through it, you got to carry a gun. If you have any business there, you got to carry a gun. Even going to your doctor, people get robbed in the parking lot. I am not exaggerating. Yeah, I wish things were different, but they're not. So You may never hear this. I don't like to get all upset. And I am home with my wife's motorcycle. That's her happy birthday motorcycle. All right, there is my wife's Honda Fury. And she hasn't driven it yet. She's gonna really like this bike. It is so much easier to ride and handle. And it's 1.5 inches lower seat height, so her feet are almost flat on the ground. And there's my bike. Yeah, beautiful bike. I enjoyed riding it. Let me get her on it and tell her happy birthday. Happy birthday.
The best birthday present ever.
And this bike is only $17 more a month than the other bike was. And it's brand new, 2020, comes with a 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. That's why it's $17 more a month.
I just hope I can reach the clutch.
Okay, you can reach the clutch. It's a very comfortable bike. This is...
I can't imagine with them handlebars.
Okay, watch out for acorns if you're...
I know. I already slipped while ago walking.
The key is on your left side, where the air breather would be.
Smells like a skunk. Oh, I hope my windshield fits this.
I hope so.
Did you even look?
I didn't.
What is it? It smells like a skunk.
You're full of gas, though. I gassed it up.
Oh, you took it for a ride?
Huh?
You took it for a ride, or do you just feel that?
I rode it home, hon.
Okay. Let's just see. And now I have to find the key.
Key on the left side.
On the left side.
Left, where
My
the air
other
breather.
left? My other left? Oh, right there. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
and just turn it clockwise. There you go.
And now I'm, oh yeah. Okay.
Contact.
Cool. It's got 33 miles on it.
Yeah, and 30 of those was me.
Okay, and this is to start it?
Yep.
What else do I need to know?
Your neutral is here.
Okay.
And high beam, low
beams.
beam,
Okay, let's
speedometer.
just do
And
the
I don't
horn.
think your speedometer is good. Oh yeah, that's a good horn.
Good Lord, I'm guessing. Okay. I don't know.
Oh, that's too quiet.
It sounds like my sewing machine. Now, you know if I drop this,
we have insurance.
no, you have to stop recording. Okay, well, when I go with the first.
Let your pop your clutch just a little bit.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
You can. There you go.
Oh, yeah, this is going to be scary. I know, I don't like the brakes.
I'll be right behind you.
Okay. That was fun.
Way back here, behind your left foot there.
Okay. Way back here. Oh, yeah, yours is way, yeah, way much easier. Yeah, it
So,
was fun.
yeah.
It was fun. I mean, it's a whole different ride. I mean, totally different.
That is a gorgeous bike.
Where the heck is my little thingy here?
The red, yeah.
Well, I ran into a swarm of something. They're all over my. Yeah, it's totally different handling and more slow turning, going through the neighborhoods,
Yeah.
starting all over again.
You'll get used to this one real quick. This handles 10 times easier than that Raider did.
Well, tell me this: is your set up your forward controls exactly like?
Exactly like yours.
I don't know how you ride.
I don't understand what is the problem.
They're too far up this way. I mean, my God, they
You mean,
made these
you mean
for
too
little
too
short
close
people.
to you? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, they made them for little short people.
Yeah.
My
They're
knees are right. When I'm riding, they're right here. Look.
well. I've ordered my extended forward controls,
Yeah.
and
Where
it's
will
gonna
they
move.
be at? About right there?
Yeah, right about there.
Okay. Well, heck, that would be. I don't know how you ride like this.
Yeah, it's
It's not comfortable.
cramped. It's not comfortable, and that's part of the reason my tailbone was hurting so bad because, my knees are up in the air.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very uncomfortable for me. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm not going to do the forward controls, but I got to get my handlebars right here. And I got to get them up a little bit.
Okay, we can
Here's
do
where
that.
they have to be right here.
We can do that.
Okay.
All right, I'll go put them away. We are home.
And we're all eating chips.
I'm not eating chips because I'm on a diet, and I really want to tell you how much I weigh and how much weight I've lost, but I'm going to hold off.
I'm so proud of him.
Well, let's just say that I was a substantial amount over 300, and I am now under 300 for the first time in many, many, many years. Come on, Sonny. Get up here, baby. So I just wanted to say this about the motorcycle. I won't mention figures because that would be rude.
Rude.
But I did way, way better than I expected I would. So I'm happy all the way around. I'm happy I got rid of the Antichrist motorcycle. And I'm happy I got a brand new bike and a full 5-year bumper-to-bumper, every nut and bolt covered, warranty, labor, parts,
Towing.
everything.
And towing.
And towing, yeah.
That's a plus for a motorcycle.
So, yeah, and I did real good on the... I was shocked. I thought I was going to have to... I kind of woke up early this morning stressed about having to go fist fight these people about that motorcycle. And
I wanted to tell you, lower your eyebrows when the guy gave you the figures.
why did my poker face fail me?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah, well, I thanked him. He's and I told him in a couple of years I will keep an eye on his used website. In a couple of years, if he has a Harley, I will come back and get it. So that's the motorcycle saga. And now I have to learn how to operate a GoPro. There's all kinds of, this is like a kit that comes with it. And with a chest rig where you can put it on your chest and, record. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. First I got to learn how to use it. There comes Ruthie. Come on, Ruthie Bell.
Come on, we're all up here eating chips. Come on.
Come on, get your chip.
Mary, you are so rude.
Look at the animals. There's
she's
one.
The only one that don't want to wait her
There's
turn.
2, 3. There's Ruthie.
Come on up, Ruth.
There's Mary. Where's a little bit? Is a little
She's
bit
over here
over on the
getting
other
her
side?
Mary, stop it.
There's
Come on,
Ruthie.
Come on, Ruthie. No, don't like chips.
No chip for me. So you got to put it in the water.
Scared everybody to death.
Yep, I'm gonna blow that tree up.
I'm gonna gnaw it to the ground.
I'm gonna burn it down.
You see, Mary, she crunches them up. Ow! Little bit. That's my fingers. Oh, God, that hurt. Now, scratch that thing about when they bite you, it doesn't hurt. Whew. She pinched the crap out of me. No wonder them dogs run when Mary pinches them.